Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Silvercrest garment steamer with a non-stick coated solo plate, adjustable temperature and steam burst button, 4-in-1 ironing, steaming, fabric brushing and lint removal, removable tank 70 ml, ready to use in 60 seconds and power consumption 1000 watt. With a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. A long cable, it is about 2 meters, very convenient. You will work better. At the box we've got the measuring cup, cloth brush, the lint brush, the release button, and that goes here of course. You need to just press and it will lock. There's the button, locks. You can just pull that and you can remove it again. Very easy, nice. Now at the unit we've got the hanger, soft hanger here, the transparent water tank with a max level, the filler opening, and here you can insert all the water, maximum 70 ml, and you can close that, the temperature control, adjust it from minimum to maximum. The heating up indicator lamp, the release for the water tank, you can release that and you can fill up with water. It will be wisely to use a deionized water and you can insert that here, just press and it locks. The ironing sole plate with 4 holes for extracting the steam and with an integrated stand to protect your surfaces. And of course here we've got the steam brush button. Nice, I like it. You can use it with one hand. Well, let's fill up with water, remove the tank. Nice. And let's power it on. You can unfold the stand at this position, it will stay very nice. And with the adjustment temperature control, now it is on maximum, LED indicator it is on. And start ironing your clothes. And this is the steam burst with a button here. Very powerful. Nice, I like it. He's doing a good job. I was skeptical because it is so small, but I like it. It is small. You can have this at your vacation with you at any time and ironing your clothes. Nice. Adjusting the temperature. Small and cute. And you can attach on that. Nice. And you can use it, brush your clothes. And at the same time you can use the steam broth. Nice. And of course you can remove that. Be careful, now it is hot. Okay. Nice. I like the amount of steam that it comes out from these 4 holes. And of course you can iron any type of clothes, doesn't matter. Of course, if there are any warnings at your clothes that says you don't need to iron your clothes, then don't do it. Well guys, that was all about. It cost 16 euros. It is small. With a large amount of steam extracting, and definitely it can iron my clothes very well without a problem. And at the same time, by pressing the button, extracting the steam. Nice. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Beautiful, nice job, I like it.